Hey there and welcome back to Binti Baker. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and my name's S. Today, we'll be making a pineapple upside down cake. I like this recipe because you actually do not need to frost the cake. However, if you'd like to learn cake decorating basics, please leave a comment down below. For the ingredients, we'll need 330 grams margarine, 500 grams flour, 100 grams sugar, 5 eggs, half cup raisins, 1 teaspoon pineapple essence, a quarter cup of pineapple extract, 6 pineapple rings. For the base, we'll need a quarter cup margarine and a quarter cup sugar. And finally, we'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The first step is to prepare the extract and the pineapple slices. Start by peeling your pineapple. Chop the first half of the pineapple into slices with medium-sized thickness. Remove the core using a nozzle, a circular cutter, or a knife. Once you're done, set the pineapple rings aside. Chop the remaining pineapple into small pieces and using a blender, blend them into a pulp. Please note that I've not used any water. Sieve the pulp to get the extract. Don't throw away the peels, as I'll show you what to do with them in my next video. However, if you don't have a blender, you can mash the pineapple pieces using a pestle and mortar. Once you get a thick pulp, sieve it. Now that we have our pineapple extract, set it aside and prepare the cake batter. In a clean bowl, mix your margarine and sugar until white and fluffy. Add in your eggs, your pineapple essence, and the pineapple extract and mix well. Sieve your flour in small bits and fold in using a wooden spoon. Repeat this until you're finally done with your flour. Add the baking powder and the last of the flour and fold in. At this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. To prepare the base, melt the margarine for 30 seconds in the microwave and mix it with your sugar. Line your cake tin, or you can grease it, and pour the margarine mixture into the tin. Lay down your pineapple rings and fill all the spaces with the raisins. Pour your cake batter into the tin. Since this yielded a large cake, about 1 kg, I would suggest that you divide your batter into 2 tins to avoid having a crusty cake. Bake your cake for 50 minutes or until your cake is dry. The cake should be ready at this point, and once well baked, remove it from the oven. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to enjoy more recipes. Bye for now.